Cute Samira says, you didn't even type. What is it? Rest in peace for Hina's dad. Because cute Samira, I am not a fake person to be only on social media. What I had to do, I did it, and my connection with Hina is in my heart, and I don't need to post anything on social media to prove anything to really silly people like you. So please keep your negativity to yourself and don't bring it here. I am an individual and I take my decisions on a personal level, and what I feel and how I feel, I react accordingly, and I would always do that. And I have her dad in my prayers, I have her in my prayers, and I don't need to prove anything to silly people like you who only live your lives on social media and think just by putting a condolence on social media you are feeling something. That's not true. When you feel, you feel, and when you feel, you reach out to the person. You don't have to prove it to the janta. Understand? God, this just makes me so angry. Anyway, people are so sick. I swear, people are so sick. Let me just address this, by the way. I lost my dad a month and a half ago, okay? And people were so quick to judge, saying, oh, you're already posting stuff and you're already, putting pictures or you're putting dance videos. I'm like, do you people even know what it takes to get over a loss? Do you know that a person doesn't need to sit like this and wonder, oh my God, I'm losing somebody? You don't do that. In Islam, you can't have a sog more than 3 days. You can't cry and be in sadness more than 3 days. You have to move on. You have to live your life. You have to carry on with love of the person that you've lost. So don't you dare, all you people who think that, oh, by posting things on, commenting on social media, that you're going to be like, oh my God, you're out there judging people. Keep your judgments to yourself and let people be the way they want to heal, the way they want to come out of things, the way they want to function. Stop judging people. And I really wanted to keep this light today, but just because of that comment, I'm so upset, because I've heard enough of this shit. I've heard enough of this nonsense where people just want answers and people think you are answerable to them. Nobody's answerable to you. Trolls wanting to comment on people's pages. Mind your own business and let people be, let people heal. And I'm 100% sure people will go out there, अरे अभी तो हुआ है ना भाई, अभी तो, अरे शर्म करो यार. Somebody's lost someone. And only we know. People who lose people know how to deal with it, and everyone's healing process is different. Everybody's healing process is different, and you are nobody to judge that. You are nobody to judge someone's life. क्या पहना है, क्या खाया है, क्या सोया है, यही करने आते हो सोशल मीडिया पे. जियो और जीने दो. बेशर्म. Anyway. I just wanted to be happy today, and this is what happens. Anyway, Jan says moving on is the toughest thing ever. Don't ever have to reply to people. Your purity shows on your face. Thanks, Jan. So sweet of you. I read Jan's. I really respect you and love you. जिनको कहना है वो कहते रहेंगे. Aisha, so sweet. Thank you. Ankush says, God never changed. Love how you shut people down. You do you. You are hot. Oh, so sweet. Thanks, Ankush. They are panchayati people, says Meban Adnan. I completely agree. That word is bang on. Panchayati, panchayat. कि तुम्हारे घर में क्या चल रहा है, तुम ऐसे क्यों हो, तुम ऐसे क्यों हो. I just want to slap all of them. I swear, I want to slap everybody who's judgmental. I swear, my God. I'm just on my thing today. I'm just like, so upset. Everyone who's telling me to ignore people like that, yes, I can ignore them, but then it's just so much. And like, I've been ignoring it for so long. Like every picture that I posted after my dad passed away, there were comments saying, oh, आपके dad को 40 दिन भी नहीं हुए हैं, oh, आपके dad को. And I was like, शर्म नहीं आती तुमको? Like, you're reminding me 20,000 times of how I've lost my father. You don't need to remind me, losers. I already know that. So every day I ignored that, and now when someone else unfortunately has lost a dad, and they expect me to put a rest in peace on social media, excuse me, I don't need to do that to let someone know that I'm there for them. I'm there for her, and she knows that, I'm sure. How dare you judge that? My God. And yeah, I mean, it's taken so much patience from me to not speak about so many issues actually that happened in my life in the last 2 months. But I realized that let people judge, let people think what they want, because whether you like it or not, they are going to think what they want. They are going to judge you. They are not going to wonder that, अरे, until and unless उनकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ऐसा होता है या उनके साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है जहाँ पर वो फंस जाते हैं, and then they'll be like, oh अच्छा हाँ उसके साथ भी यही हुआ होगा शायद. I have realized in these 2 months, in my life that हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे अगर लोगों को जज करते हैं ना, वो भी नहीं करना चाहिए. सीरियसली, किसकी ज़िंदगी में क्या चल रहा है आपको क्या पता यार, कौन किस चीज़ से गुजर रहा है आपको क्या पता, राइट? सो जितने लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं ना, 8,000 लोग, if these 8,000 people actually understand what I'm trying to say, you're going to spread it to others. I request you, don't judge people because you don't know what's happening in their lives. Yeah, you could have an opinion. Yeah, you can just keep it to yourself. But don't go out there trolling people and talking shit about people and assuming that, oh my God, how could you? Tight slap. Anyway.